So what's up guys, and we're going to the part 2 of project review. So let's get started. So today we're gonna review 2048 or 3072 by Photography Studio. This is a 2048 game if you have seen this before. So you can see the start menu. We'll start with the start menu. So here you can see this title looks good, but there is no background on, and the start button is not reactive. So if you see it from if you don't play it, you can see that the screen is dead or the game doesn't feel alive at the start menu. So you need to fix this if you are watching this PSYT. And then we have two options, 2048 or 3072. We'll play 2048. So if you look at this game now, you can see this looks pretty decent, not very great or not very bad. This is decent. Like the play area, like this boxes are good. These two buttons are good. Like you can play it with keys, arrow keys. So here you can see the game is very smooth, not at all laggy. This game has some bugs. I cannot replicate them, but I will surely try to put it in the video if I find them. Here is a short gameplay. You can see the game is over now, as I have not completed but lost the game, and it gets back to the start menu, or you can say the option menu. So you can start the game from there. And if you look at 3072, it is the same but the numbers are different, and it's a bit faster than 2048 if you see. It also has cloud high score, like the highest score was 228848 by someone I don't know. And there are a lot of sprites used, like 44 sprites are used here, and also the background. So it was to be laggy, but like it is not very much separated and not use the clone system, but that is okay because the game is running smoothly. The code is a bit laggy. If you switch between sprites, it is a bit laggy, and if the sprite is heavy, then it's very much laggy. So for the gameplay, this game gets like 8 out of 10. For the looks, it gets 6 out of 10, and for the feature, this game gets 6 out of 10. So overall, this game's a 6 out of 10. This is a pretty decent. Like this game needs improvement. Like first of all, the startup, then the start menu, then the buttons, and also the screen. Like this button is there, but it's not like alive. It seems like just a photo is here. So when you click, then you can just see if it is working or not. And there are no animations like swipe animations. Only the gameplay elements have the animation. Other than that, we don't have any animation in the game. So this was project review. It's up to you guys to follow my instructions or not. It is up to you. It is just my review, my opinion. You don't need to stick to it. You can just do it your way. But what I think is my review. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can submit your projects for review in the link in the description. I will just put a link in the description. So thank you.